everybody, it's a beautiful Saturday today. Yes, it's a Saturday. I'm I'm on my way to a diagnostic right now. It's a misfire problem. That's all I know about it. And it's a good day to do a diagnostic. That's all I want to do all day long, just diagnostics. I just want to tell you what the problem is. That's all I want to do. All right.
Arrived.
All right, well, thank you, GPS. And there's the Acura. It's an Acura. It's an Acura. So let me pull up in here. Yeah, I'll pull up in here like this. It's got some roots and some stuff going on over here. Got a driveway I can work in. So, I guess we're okay. All right, let's see what's going on. Get the customer out here. All right, first thing I do is I'm gonna go ahead and read these codes. And I got misfires on 1, 2, 4, and 5. Automatically, I think timing belt slipped a tooth or something like that. I'll have to do some investigating on that. Check engine light is on. Okay. Let me go check some coil packs. Alright, we're going to go ahead and check these coils. I'll pull off one connector at a time. You see the motor change, so that means that coil is firing and you got fuel and you have compression. Alright, we're going to check this one. These coils are listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the Acura. So all of these are testing good. Let's go to the back one. We're going on number 3. The motor changed, so that's good. Go to number 2. The motor changed, plugged it back in. And number 3. Number 1, there's no change in number 1. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this coil pack out and see if we got a spark. And once you get that one bolt out of there, you should be able to pop this coil out of there. Move this hose out of the way. And that's what a coil pack looks like, y'all. That's what sends you your spark. So I'm going to get that harness connector. I got no fire coming out of that coil. I'm going to go ahead and pull one of the known good ones out of there, because we know it works, because we hear the motor change, so we know that's a good one. It is sending a spark. Alright. That way we can be 100% that it's a coil, because it could be in the wiring too, right. So we just got to make sure. Right. All right. So we got a good coil. I'm going to take this suspected bad one off, and we should hear something coming out of here. And we do. Can you hear that? All right. I don't know if you can see that spark. Can you see the spark? Yeah. All right. So we're just going to replace the coil. Okay, that's good. We're going to replace the coil. I'm going to go ahead and install this new plug. Let's go ahead and check fire on the new plug before we install. I went ahead and attached my test light to the negative side. Just going to keep it there. That light should blink. Yeah. All right, you see that light blinking, so we definitely got a spark. We're good to go. We'll go ahead and shut the car off, and we'll go ahead and install it. All right, they're running good now. Yep. All right, let me tighten it up and we'll be done.